Hi, I'm Chris Callahan with UVM Extension Ag Engineering, here today to share some resources and tips with you that we've developed as part of a USDA NIFA Food Safety Outreach Program project called SCUB, Sanitizing and Cleaning Resources for Your Business. We went through the PSA grower training slides, and we also know that in the produce safety rule and other places, there's this phrase, appropriate detergent. What the heck does that mean? We've got a blog post on detergents which helps clarify some of that at go.uvm.edu/detergents, but we wanted to walk through it a little bit here on the video. First thing to think about is avoiding fragrances and dyes. So try to avoid anything that's got artificial coloring added or fragrances. We want to look for things that are sort of free and clear, so to speak. And there are a number of products available even at the hardware store or the grocery store that meet that need and are perfectly appropriate for farm use. We've also explored a couple of other products that are worth thinking about. One is this Bar Pro low sudsing liquid glassware detergent. So it's meant for cleaning glass, but the nice thing about it is it's meant to have low suds and low foam. So that can make the rinsing and the cleanup a little bit easier, especially on large pieces of equipment. The other options that we've used today are just sort of run-of-the-mill detergents for dish soap and just general cleaning. And the thing to remember about detergents is they act as almost like a magnet for soil and other debris. That and by adding it to the water, you really make water solvent properties much stronger. The detergents serve as a way of capturing the thing you're trying to clean off of the surface. They have two ends. On one end, they capture that stuff. On the other end, they're really soluble in water, so they go away with the water. And so they serve as an aid or a catalyst for water to do a better job cleaning. The other thing to think about with detergents is being really careful to use just the amount you need. We tend to sometimes overdo it and think if some's good, more is better. So what we want to do with detergents is really just use, it's generally about a tablespoon for a 3-gallon or a 5-gallon bucket, and that's usually plenty to get most of the jobs done that we have. If you've got real stubborn stuff that you're working on, you may have to mix it up stronger. Most of the detergents have a label on them, and it's not the same as a sanitizer label, but it does provide some guidance for what works best. The other important thing to remember with detergents is after we've used them, we want to make sure we rinse them off. And then that's usually done prior to the sanitization step or applying a sanitizer. So that was a quick reminder on cleaning and sanitizing, how they're different and what the key steps are. I'm Chris Callahan with UVM Extension Ag Engineering. For more information about cleaning and sanitizing resources, check out the SCUB page at go.uvm.edu/SCUB resources.